اچھا، کتنی ہی لڑکیاں ہیں جن کو اردو آتی ہے؟ ہاتھ کھڑا کرو. بول لیتی ہو؟ کتنی ہیں جو لکھ لیتی ہیں یا پڑھ لیتی ہیں؟ اچھا، کمال ہے. 30-40% ہے. Try to learn Urdu so that you can understand the books of Prophet Musa alayhi salam in its original form. Otherwise, you cannot follow, because translation cannot do justice with the actual subject, although it covers to some extent but not completely. So if you want to increase your religious knowledge, then try to learn Urdu so that you can understand the books of Prophet Musa alayhi salam. You should also try to learn the translation of the Holy Quran. Otherwise, you would not know what is the subject matter given in the Holy Quran, what are the directions and commandments, injunctions given in the Holy Quran. Try to learn the translation. At least you should read one ruku or two rukus daily of the Holy Quran, do tilawat, and then read the translation of it. And if possible, try to memorize it, or at least the difficult meaning of it. There is a split word translation of the Holy Quran available on alislam.org. Start learning it from there. That is your duty. ठीक है?